Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to teach you how to do the Heatless Mermaid Waves hairstyle. So number one, you just have to section your hair into two, same like this. So make sure you comb it. Gamit tayo ng hair spray. Itong Johnson's No More Tangles. And kung wala naman kayo nito, you can use water. Or kung medyo basa naman yung buhok mo after nyo mag-shower, okay lang yun. Ayan. So, basain lang natin. Ayan. So, pag medyo basa na siya, gagawin natin, i-braid lang natin siya. Well, sa pag-braid kasi, kailangan maging tight yung gawa mo. So, ayan, as you can see, yung basic, kahit yung basic braid lang. Okay. So, ayan. Bi-braid mo lang siya at kailangan mo lang siyang higpitan. Okay. Yung mahigpit. So, kung tingin mo, may mga part pa na hindi masyadong basa, spray ka lang. See? So, dapat higpitan mo talaga siya. Para maging pino after yung waves niya pag tinanggal mo na. So, ayan guys, okay na. Na-braid ko na siya ng mahigpit and maayos, and hahayaan ko lang to ng mga ilang oras. Or kung gusto nyo naman, gawin to na bago kayo matulog para kinabukasan, meron na kayong mermaid hair wave. So, okay lang din yun. So, as you can see, nakalipas na yung 5 hours. So, let's see the results. And tanggalin na natin itong braids. Ayan, so in just 5 hours, makikita mo yung super kinky curls. See that? It's so cute. So, na-achieve natin yung So, make sure huwag mo siyang suklayin, huwag mo siyang i-brush. Ayusin mo lang siya gamit ng kamay mo. super easy and effortless heatless hairstyle, mermaid waves. So guys, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more hair and beauty vlogs. See you next time.